Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Key to Blogging. Today I am going to show you how to do a free SEO audit online in just few minutes. So here in this video we are comparing different online SEO audit tool and check which one is best for you and how you can run a SEO audit and generate a SEO audit report for your website or for your client. So let's get started. So what is an SEO audit? SEO audit simply is a checkup of your website performance in search engine. It helps you find areas for improvement like page speed, keywords, broken links, or overall optimization of your website. So we will be using a free online tools to get this done easily. So we will be comparing different free tools like SEOMATOR.com and then SEOsitecheckup.com, SEOptimer.com, all-in-one SEO.com, and then we will check the Hoth.com. So we will be comparing different free SEO audit tool and check which one gives the better report. So let's get started. So first of all, we are going to use this website SEOMATOR.com. So we are going to copy our website link and paste it here. Now let's click on get a free SEO audit. Now it will crawl our website and check for potential issues on our website and show you a report. So let's wait for a few seconds and check how this website will help us improve our SEO. And based on the report, you can see the total score. The on-page score is 97 and it will show the performance, accessibility, SEO and best practices report as well. And it will show the total number of internal link, external link, and the total number of images and total number of script size and everything. And it will show you that there is no duplicate title, there is no duplicate meta description or duplicate content, but it may have some page size issues or cache control issues or canonical issues. And it is saying that there is no H1 tag on this page and HTTPS and HTTPS links are perfectly fine, and there is no issue with 4xx or 5xx code, or there is no link is broken. And it also suggesting that the page has low content rate and there is no server issues, but it's still showing fail sign here. So let's scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the speed insights and you can see the open graph title and open graph meta description, and it also shows some SEO details like if the page has blocked from indexing or not, if the document has title element or not, document has meta description or not, and you can see links have descriptive tags, links are crawlable or not. So this will analyze your website and check any issues, and then it will show a blog post link where you can follow that and solve that issue on your website. It also shows the accessibility related issues of your website, whether it is Arial hidden true or Arial attribute is added to your website or not. So as you can see that everything is looking fine, and it's showing that links are not, doesn't have a discernible name or relies on color to be distinguishable. So this error can be found in page speed insight test tool as well. So this gives you a better idea about your SEO audit. So you can go through this, you can see the performance related issues of your website as well. So this is how the SEOMATOR SEO audit tool works. So let's jump to the next website, which is the SEOsitecheckup.com. So let me quickly put our website link here and let's click on Checkup. Now it will analyze our website and show you the report. So let's wait. Okay, so based on the report, it is giving 82 score and it is saying 10 failed item and 1 warning. So you can see the issues: H1, H2 tags ensure better search engine visibility and ranking. So maybe there is issue with the heading structure here. So let's scroll down, and it is saying that this website page is using a meta description tag with a length of 142 character. So it is saying that the recommended character is 150 to 220 characters. So you can increase the meta description length. Then it will show the social media meta tags test. So it will give you the same report again. And here you can see the keyword usage test, like the keyword used in meta description and keyword used in heading. So you can see that, and you can see the keyword cloud test and heading tag, so you can see all the H2 tags on the page, so you can further optimize that. And you can see robot.txt, so it has passed the robot.txt test and it has passed the sitemap test. And to check broken link you have to go to the premium version, so we are just checking in free version here, and it is saying responsive image test, so we need to log in for that. Then there is inline CSS, Google Analytics test, and we have social media test, and we have page object test, like percentage of image, CSS, HTML of the page and their sizes. And we can see the CDN usage test, and we have render blocking resources, and it checked for URL canonicalization and check for SSL of the website. Alright, this is how the SEO audit works in SEO site checkup. So let's move on to the next website, which is SEOoptimizer.com. So let me put my website link here and let's click on audit. Alright, this is the SEO audit result from SEO Optimize. So for on-page SEO it has given B+, for links it has given D, usability it has given A+, so you can see the ratings here, and here you can see that increase the length of the title, and you can see the H1 header tag usage or not, keyword consistency. So you can see the keywords used in title, meta description, heading tag, and the page frequency. So amount of content, so the total number of word count here, image alt attribute, canonical tag, no index tag, SSL enabled or not, robot.txt and XML sitemap. And it is saying that there is no analytics tool installed on this page, but in fact analytics is using on my website, but we have delayed the analytics, that's why it is not detecting that. Then we have the schema.org structured data test, and you can see the top ranking pages, monthly traffic volume and their position, and it says the link report, so it is unique for this website. So you can see the referring page URL, referring page title and the anchor tags, and the top pages by backlinks. So you can see the top pages where the total number of backlinks shown here, and you can see the top anchors by backlinks, and you can see the top referring domain geographies, like you can see top countries and top TLDs. So this will give you an overview of your website. You can see the usability report and LCP CLS of the website. So I recommend you to check out this website. So all the website used on this video is given in the description, so you can go and check out what are the issues that you have on your website, and then you can follow different tutorials to solve it, because if we cover this in a single video then it is not possible to cover all these aspects. So you have to manually search for the tutorial and solve the issue yourself. And you can see the YouTube channel linked to this website, and you can see that we have 10,500 subscribers till now. So make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you will not miss any future videos. It also give you about SEO, local SEO and the technology used, that we are using Hostinger, and you are using Hostinger CDN, we are using the Lightbox and Lightspeed Cache plugin, and we are using the Pop Matters plugin, and you are using the WordPress platform. So you can see the technology used on the website as well. It also shows the DNS and server IP address and everything, and you can see the child pages as well. So this gives you an overview of your website. So you can check different SEO aspect of your website by using this website. The first one is SEOMATOR.com, then SEOSiteCheckup.com, SEOoptimizer.com. So let's check the all-in-one SEO plugin, which is a popular SEO plugin in WordPress. So let's put our website link here and analyze our website. And you can see the overall site SEO score here. So you can see the critical issues. This page makes 37 requests, more than 20 requests, no H1 tag, no keyword found in page title. And you can see page using canonical tag, robot.txt. So all these tools are doing the same thing. So I like to use this SEO Optimizer report. It is quite informative, and you can use this fast website as well. And then let's check for the Hoth.com. So let's enter the website. Now let's click on run report. As you can see the SEO audit report of our website. So you can see all the details. So it is similar to that we have seen on the SEOoptimizer.com. So it is using the same report here. So instead of using SEO Optimizer, you can use the Hoth to download a report like this. So this is how you can do SEO audit of your website or your client. That's it for this video. You have just completed a free SEO audit of your website. Make sure to run this SEO audit regularly to keep improving your site performance. Remember, SEO is a long-term game, but consistently tweaking your website will help you get better ranking and more traffic over time. So thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your online presence. And don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions or need help with SEO. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.